Assalamu alaikum dear, how are you? Today we start China Olympiad math where our question is 2 square root total square root is x square root minus 2 square root power of y square root is equal to 60. Now we start our question. First of all we remove square root from here. 2 1 over 2 x square root minus 2 1 over 2 y square root is equal to 60. We have already know formula. A power m total power n is equal to am times n. We apply that formula in this equation. 2 power x square root over 2 minus 2 power y square root over 2 is equal to 60. We suppose x square root over 2 is equal to m and y square root over 2 is equal to n. We apply that m and n in this equation. 2 power m minus 2 power n is equal to 60. It means that is greater than that. It means 2 power m is greater than 2 power n. M is greater than n. We suppose m is equal to k plus n. It means we have value of m. That is equation 1. Put in value of m in equation 1. 2 k plus n minus 2 power n is equal to 60. Now we apply formula 2 power k times 2 power n minus 2 power n is equal to 60. Here 2 power n is common. We common 2n. Remaining 2k minus 1 is equal to 60. Divided by 2, 30, 15. 2 power n, 2 power k minus 1 is equal to 2 times 2 times 15. 2 power n, 2 power k minus 1, 2 power 2 times 15. That is even. We suppose that is even and that first is even. Second is odd. That second is odd. 2 power n is equal to 2 power 2. N is equal to 2. Now we take add value 2 power k minus 1 is equal to 15. 2 power k 15. If minus go other side of equal, it become positive. 16. 2k 16. 2 power k is equal to 4 power 2 power 4. K is equal to 4. Now we find the value of n, m and k. M is equal to k plus n. M is equal to k, we have 4 and n is 2. 6. M is equal to 6. X square root over 2 is equal to m. Y square root over 2 is equal to n. Now value of n, value of n and m. X square root over 2 is equal to m. M is 6. X square root is equal to 12. Taking square both side. 2 cancel with square root. X is equal to 144. Here apply value of n. Y square root over 2 is equal to n is 2. Y square root is equal to 2 2s are 4. Applying square both side. 2 cancel with 2. Y is equal to 4 4s are 16. Now we determine the value of x and y. Check these equations that is true or false. If these values are equal, then our question is correct. We check it. Two square root x square root minus 2 square root y square root is equal to 60. 2 square root x, put the value of x 144 square root minus 2 square root y value is 16 is equal to 60. 2 square root now we remove square root from here. 2 power 1 over 2 multiplied by 144 minus 2 power 1 over 2 multiplied by 4. To remove square root, 2 power 1 over 2 multiplied by 12 minus 2 power 1 over 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. 2 1 the 2, 2 6 the 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 2 power 6 minus 2 power 2 is equal to 60. If we multiply 2 6 times, it become 64 minus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 60. If 64 minus 4, remaining value is 60 is equal to 60. We say that left hand side is equal to right hand side.